Hello everyone, welcome back to Selenium Ninja. This video is going to be very short as we are only looking forward to create a simple Maven project which will implement page object model pattern. So basically in the coming videos there are some very good concepts I'm sure which you will find helpful. So for that we need a page object model type project. Why we need a page object model type project? Because we have to add some dependencies and it gets easier with the dependencies. If you have not installed Maven on your editor, like in this case it's Eclipse or any IDE, then there are so many videos available. I'll just directly focus on creating a Maven project, right? Go to the drop down menu here and click on the project. So right now it is showing me Maven. In your case it will show Maven. Go to Maven. From there go to Maven project. Once done, click on the next. So we are going to create a Maven project based on a simple template, the existing templates. That's the benefit of Maven. So click on next, go default, choose default settings, next. And here you need to create a template. You need to check which template you want. There are so many templates available. So the one which is common is Maven, type Maven, archetype, quick start is one of the templates, so you can choose any version. I'll just go with the 1.1 right now. Click on next. Now we have two things here, group ID and artifact ID. Group ID means it's just a simple name. If you want to display any name, you need to mention that name in the artifact ID. So let me just name it demo, right? Demo project, and let me just use the application, simple, right? So you can change the app package name also, you can just remove it. If you check here, demo project, we gave the artifact, that artifact is showing up here, and we give the group ID. Group ID is at the start, so this package is a combination of group ID and artifact. So if you want to remove, you can also remove. Keep the snapshot version same, click on finish. So remember, here we gave the demo project name, right? Click on finish, and on the right side you can see our project has been created, and the simple project is src main folder is there, the test folder is there, and most importantly we have the pom.xml, so we can add our dependencies right here. I hope guys this video was helpful. Thank you.